Hello, in this video, we're going to express the quadratic function f of x equal x squared minus x minus 6 in standard form. So what is a standard form? Standard form of a quadratic function is f of x equal ax minus h square plus k with hk the vertex. So how we can get to this one? First of all, we need to make sure that we rewrite the function f of x equal x squared minus x minus 6 in this form of a times x minus h power 2 plus k. Let's use one of the techniques we'll learn earlier, which is completing the square to write it this way. The first thing we're going to do, let me change the color. We're going to rewrite that functions. We're going to combine the x's term. Let's say from that function x squared minus x minus 6, we can rewrite that functions as x squared minus x leaves a space minus the constant term. Now, this space, I'm going to add something. So what I'm going to add is to take the coefficient of x. So we said if for using completing the square, you take 1/2 of b and you add it. So what is the coefficient of x? Which is, remember, we said that functions right here is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c. That means the coefficient of x, we call it b. So now what we're gonna do here is really to go over and take the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is -1. So if you take a -1, you raise it to power 2. -1 divided by 2 raised to power 2 give you 1/2. So what we do, we're going to add 1/4. I'm sorry, -1/2 power to give you 1/4. We're going to add 1/4 inside of the parentheses, but we're going to subtract it outside as well to make sure like adding 1 minus subtracting 1, it doesn't really change your equations, your functions. Now, we can simplify outside of the parentheses x squared minus x plus 1/4. If you add -6 minus 1/4, same denominator, we're gonna multiply and divide both sides by, multiply and divide -6 by 4. We're gonna have -24/4 minus 1/4. That gives us -25/4. So this part right here would be -25/4. What is next? Okay, in order to have the standard form a times x minus h squared plus k, in a different video, if you follow me on this platform, my Tutor Build, you would see another video where we show you what the importance, what the signification of, what the meaning of a in front of that parenthesis. Now, we can rewrite that one. We know the first part would be power 2. Okay, if you remember the sum of a difference, the sum of the square of a difference, the square of a difference, or the sum, the square of a sum. So we can say that taking the square root of x give you x, taking the square root of the last term, which is 1/4, give you 1/2. And you keep the sign in the middle, which is -1. If you had plus x, it's going to be the same, -25/4. That's all. That's all you need to do. Remember, if you have x minus 1/4 power 2, what it gives you, the first one power 2 minus 2 times the first one by the second one plus the second one power 2, right? So that would be x squared minus 2 times 1/2 give you -1 plus 1/4. So we can go back to the same thing if we try to do this equation. So we can answer the questions as, if we answer the questions, I don't want to erase all of this. Let me erase just part of it. Okay, we're gonna erase just this. All right, because feel free to pause the video and see what I do. Now, this is our final answer. So there is nothing else we're gonna do because this is the standard form of the quadratic equations. Don't forget to check for other videos that I recorded on the same topics. And don't forget also to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Take care and have a good day.